Hi, this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging at Productronica India, and I'm on the NSW Automation stand with KC. And I guess my first question, sir, is you're a Malaysian company, you're a long way from home. Let's start with what do you do?
Yeah, we are Malaysian and all the way far away from Malaysia to here. So this is our first time to participate in the show in Electronica India. So what we do here is we like to ensure the India markets know about NSW. Of course, it's about market awareness. And secondly, we are actually receiving a lot of input about India government is actually pushing for semiconductors. So a lot of value change is moving towards semiconductor for better profit and better advantage. So NSW is the company that will produce advanced dispensing equipment and focus on micro dispensing application as well as precision level. So we are here to see the market is quite impressive because there are a lot of exhibitors that well-known brands are here, everybody is trying to gather here. Yeah, that is why we should be here.
Yeah, for sure, and I believe your company has a wide range of products into a lot of areas.
Yeah. NSW Automation, we actually produce dispensing equipment from A to Z. So what we have is our own dispensing technology that to produce a precise dispensing outcome. So it consists of at least 3 technology in place produced by NSW and also collaborate with NSW someone. So we are actually starting from material solutions. So we collaborate with exclusively with many material manufacturers and ensure there are material that are available to achieve optimal dispensing result. And the second technologies that we are actually contributing is a dispensing head technologies. So we have our own dispenser that are able to produce different achievement that from small to big and from low speed to high speed, it depends on customer needs. And the third solution that we are providing is a motion platform that they can produce a dispensing outcome from very precise to very micro scale. That most of the emerging application today, people is talking about innovations. So packaging compared to 10 years ago, people talk about front end is front end and back end is back end, very clear cut, but today is kind of hybrid. So what we offer here is kind of emerging kind of solutions that they can appropriate for customer needs, suit for customer needs.
Okay, and what kind of materials can you dispense?
Okay, there are several kind of material from conductive to non-conductive. For example, like a conductive material, we dispense a lot on solder paste. And most of the customer today, when they approach NSW, means that they are actually facing a lot of challenges. Instead of in terms of the dispensing volume is getting smaller. And they are facing like the dispensing result is inconsistent, especially like solder paste that I mentioned. So NSW, we have a breakthrough technology, can deliver solder paste dispensing at a small scale of 80 micron, for example, by type 6 solder paste. So that is one of the material that we dispense. And other than solder paste, we also deal with other epoxies or adhesive material for encapsulations or for underfill example. And among all these, we call it conventional requirements or applications, we are more moved towards to emerging application like micro damp and fill, for example. So we heard a lot on damp and fill process for the semiconductor protection or molding applications. But because of high density packaging today from advanced packaging level or PCB assemblies, most of the components today is getting smaller size and higher density. So in terms of, instead of make sure the components are placement well, sometimes the tolerance exist. So dispensing, it helps customer to create something like we call it barrier or micro dam, especially for underfill applications to ensure there is no any underfill material contaminated with the neighbor components, example like all the passive components.
Yeah. That's always an issue with underfill because it flows, and it's very hard to keep those kind of controls. But obviously if you can very accurately dispense, not only in position, but the correct volume in the correct place, then you have the best opportunity for success.
Yeah. So from NSW, I think I give an overall introduction other than just machines or other than just the material. One of the advantages of NSW is, this way is a little bit different with other competitors, for example. So we help customer to develop recipes. So other than just using either a standard material or is a formulated material based on needs, we also help our customer to apply with different equipment and formulate a recipe based on different needs. So today, there are a lot of, especially those high-tier customers, they really like to work with NSW because we are not just dispensing dispensing equipment manufacturer. We support their needs in terms of not just equipment, but also the process know-how. We develop know-how and help them to success their development jobs.
Yep, it's an overused phrase, but you're a real solution provider, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, and the machine behind us?
Okay, so we actually demonstrate one of our equipment model called SD1X. So this equipment has a very big differentiation with other competitors. The machines look like one machine, but in fact the machine is two machines built in. So if you look at the machine motion, we have two identical dispenser. So we have a head 1 and head 2, and each of them they have their own camera system for fiduciary checking and also for pre and post dispensing inspections. And to ensure all the bolts load in and the positions are right, the orientation are right, and we do the post-dispensing inspection to capture the dispensing result, make sure all the dispensing outcomes are within the requirements. And if you look at two dispensers, we can actually make a mix and match, whether you want to have the same dispenser on the same footprint, means that you run the same machine, the same application, the same material. Or you want to have mix and match, for example, you have a damp and fill happen at the same machine. So one head do damp process, the other head doing a filling process, for example. And we also can configure like what we show in the show here. You have an inspection system. So without a dispenser, you can also integrate inspection machines or inspection system to capture the dispensing outcome. So for example, like missing dispense or quality issues based on different factors like dispensing, maybe for example, material quality issues. So disconnections, misdispense, and so on, it can inspect.
Yeah, sounds like a very flexible platform, Casey. Yeah. Thank you for sharing this with us. And this is Keith Bryant for Global SMT and Packaging, signing off from Productronica India, first day.